I have a spatula and put it to my hair. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a new challenge for today. This is requested again. This time, I am gonna do the mayonnaise for my hair. I'm gonna put this mayonnaise to my hair. Inspired by Big Ed. Someone requested it to me. Her name on YouTube is Marco&Ginger TV. So guys, if you have time, check her YouTube channel, Marco&Ginger TV. This is her requested. I am gonna do her request. But before anything else, guys, I need to do my lipstick to add more confidence. Red lips. Alright, so my handy dandy lipstick. Alright, I'm gonna put my lipstick on before I am gonna do my mayonnaise to my hair. Closer. Lumampas pa. Alright, I'm done doing my lipstick. It's my time to go in the bathtub, in the shower. Alright guys, I am gonna start now. I have here my mayonnaise and I have a spatula. Ta-da-da-da-da-dun. Ting! Spatula. I have two, mayonnaise and spatula for my hair. Okay guys, I'm gonna start now, okay? Just to let you know guys that this mayonnaise is expired. Like December 13, 2019. Today is November 30, 2020. So this is expired mayonnaise, okay? I think it's perfect to put it to my hair because it's already expired. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna open it. It's sealed. And then, oh! Smells mayonnaise! And then, oh, look! I'm opening it. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna put this onto my hair. Good luck! Good luck, good luck, good luck. And next, I have a spatula. I have a spatula and put it to my hair. Inspired by Big Ed. Wow naman. Next guys, I am gonna use my hand. So I'm gonna use my hand to rub it to my hair. Looks, wow, look at this. Need ko siyang ubusin para wala nang matira. So, ubusin ko to lahat ng laman dito. dami ko na. Ang dami ko ng mayonnaise sa ulo. Maganda na ba ako? Maraming mayonnaise sa ulo. Konti na lang natira. Need ko siyang ubusin. So, gagamit ako ng spatula. Mayonnaise. Konti na lang! Malapit na maubos! Konti na lang! Ang dami! Oh my goodness, this is a lot of mayonnaise on my head. All of this, it's on my head. Oh my goodness, pwede na akong maging salad nito. Mabigat na yung ulo ko ah. My head is heavy now from that mayonnaise. Ooh, I think almost done. Rinse my hair. It's rinse time. I'm gonna rinse now. Amoy mayonnaise na ako dito. Kung last time amoy kape ang bathroom, ngayon amoy mayonnaise naman ang bathroom. I'm done with the mayonnaise. Yung hair ko, nag-ano naman siya, parang nag-smooth din naman yung hair ko. Lumambot naman siya, oh, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, lumambot. Parang okay naman palang mayonnaise. Or gawing, hair mask. Hair mask talaga. Gawin, oo nga, yun nga, hair mask. Malambot siya sa buhok. Pero nasa sa inyo guys kung gusto nyo itry. Kay Big Ed lang naman to ginaya ko. Hello! So, nakabihis na ako. Magko-comb na ako ng aking hair kung okay naman pala siya, yung mayonnaise. Magko-comb ako. Malambot naman pala talaga siya sa hair, ang mayonnaise. Wait, anak. I'm combing my hair, baby. Michael, wait. Up we go. Yeah, mommy is combing her hair. Look, mom. Yeah, mommy got a smooth hair from the mayonnaise, Michael. See? I like it. Nice. Look at my hair. It's shiny.
No hair.
No hair. Mommy is combing her hair.
No hair.
He got my comb now. So far, the mayonnaise is nice. If you wanna watch more Ligo challenge that I did in the previous videos, I did coffee, I did charcoal, I did no bra, no panty. Oh my goodness. Just check on my videos, guys, if you watch some more of my Ligo challenge, okay? My shower routine too. Shout out to everyone who's watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you enjoyed my Ligo style. Please don't forget leave a comment down below. I am reading every single one, okay? So don't forget to subscribe also to my YouTube channel. And please hit the bell for more Ligo challenge. If you want to watch some more, you need to subscribe. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Subscribe na! Thank you so much. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye for now.